Hello everyone. Today I'm going to take you step by step on how to use Google Drive. My name is Oboe Lawrence. If you want to use Google Drive, you come to Google Chrome here. You click on it. When it opens for you, you go to your Gmail account. Like here, you click on it. When you click on it, you go to the right corner here. You will get Google Apps. When you click on it, you will get all the applications. And you look for the icons for Google Drive, which is here. You click on it. Google Drive is very important application, which is in google.com. This can make you save your work like a document in the clouds. You can store your music, photos, and the rest. Like this one here you're seeing here. These are my saved documents. So this one is very important because you can share your work online. And mostly also it is important because when you are using Google Drive, you have to be connected to the internet. So in order for you not to lose your document, you have to be saving your document on Google Drive. Remember to like my video and wait for more. Yes, thank you.